welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here, and today we are going to be doing a DIY. Now, do you remember this missing socks plaque that I picked up out of the Dollar Tree? Still in the plastic. Well, I'm really going to use this immediately. So I'm going to get some paint and paint it and design it up. So if you continue watching this channel, you're going to see what I do. Alright, so here's what it looks like after it's been painted. So we make sure to tape this part off and then just spray around the rest of it. Ooh. Yes, we need lotion. Ooh, ooh. Oh wait, we need our nails painted too. Wow. To complete this decorating project, you're going to need your missing socks board, some E6000 and some wrap, and of course, if you like some stones on there, definitely grab those, and then we'll get started. First thing I'm going to do is cut out a piece of the diamond wrap, and I'm going to go across to separate the black from the white portion of it, just in case it's really not lined up correctly. Looks like it is though. Here's my completed missing socks Dollar Tree DIY. I've got my rhinestones on there. I put a few gems on there, and of course I got a sock on there, so when somebody finds a matching sock, they can just put it together and fold it away. I also used one of these clips. This one we put on some glue on the back of it just to make sure it holds real well. Now this is not bad for a Dollar Tree hack. You don't have to decorate the board, but I wanted to make sure that everybody knew it was here, and if it was too blended in, they wouldn't know it. So I think this will catch their attention and say, oh, there's that sock I was looking for. And then they can clip it and put it together. All right, this is your girl SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life. Please take time out and hit the like button. And don't forget to comment below and let me know if you've seen the missing sock board in your Dollar Tree. Have a great day.